na yenyi Felix no emfa emra Kumasi Asante Kotoko aso ye as usual eho na ye hyase e de afri.
Nice one.
Abusua no kwaseme wom ne se Asante Kotoko coach ane nyane at the Stanley Menzo.
Yeah.
Na Kotoko ese preseason ase on Monday and na Friday. Stanley Menzo and Eric Tinkler. I'm at 6 players every preseason. I say 6 players, and I'm on free preseason. I say, oh, say, I'm for money in Chilim, no Muzankofi. So, yeah, can say 6 players sacked. It be sacked. I know Shana. 6 players told to leave. 6 players have been sacked. The details in
the original fella man.
Still, yeah, can say Asante Kotoko players more contract. It is Inusah Adams, Elvis Kyei Baffour Emmanuel Antwi. Wamu en report to Preseason. Na and I catch say the director of football were communicated to the administrative manager.
Yes.
Se oncho krata emfa enkoma sa emranji.
Hey.
Ni titiru Emmanuel Antwi. And I catch say likely se Kotoko ebe suspend Emmanuel Antwi.
Okay.
Ima MI. Inusah MI. Auchi MI. Na Inusah Adams any Elvis Kyei Baffour Awuchi there. Aso mo bo a gala bi Kumasi ya. Aso mo friend intertribal games o said here. Etimranche no Bobby wa. Ma dwene ho amenti ase.
Wow.
Kotoko start preseason. Kotoko players. In fact, we are contracted to Asante Kotoko. Omo contracted wuni ya baye nka o masem ha. Ye chirim se baba ya enya contracted to Kotoko biem.
Yes.
In fact, ya me time se baba ya ene enuansu omo release letter kranam se mpanyfo e de amom because omo express se omo nto aso omo Kotoko so anya na dwe kwa so no omo e to aso. But Elvis Kyei Baffour signed a 3-year contract with Kotoko. Aka 1 year. Emmanuel Antwi signed a 3-year contract with Kotoko. Aka 1 year.
Yes.
Inusah Adams your last year ya no be justify.
Okay.
And I Kotoko efa no. Say Inusah sign 4 years aka 3 or sign 3 years aka 2. Na Inusah ewo Kumasi no boy intertribal gala na. Kotoko started training na bitapanyi. But unze ya asem ba ye call down. Ye call further. Ye call deep. Ye do suko.
What your original fella?
Ye call ya asem na adia ba bitapanyi. Emranche mi ensa ma bo mu din nyina no. Wamu hwese Kotoko ebe terminate omo contract. Omo hwese Asante Kotoko ebe terminate omo contract. In fact, say ye da sore ne se Kotoko terminate the contract of Emmanuel Antwi. The question da obesha white akoda nyame ase. Say Kotoko terminate Elvis Kyei Baffour a contractor. They will go to church to thank God.
Wow.
Say Kotoko terminate Inusah contract be penyon be nyame ase. Make catch 2 months to the end of the season say Kotoko for sure mu mail nim.
Yes.
Na a club be ono ewo the eastern part of Africa. And a contract worth $100,000. Aba boso mo beto Inusah e de afia Asante Kotoko.
Okay.
Agent bi aye say oh say na me catch say empanyfo bu bebo mo se nipa ye nim na wi ane enso kan ya hwere ni manager.
Yes.
In the last 20 years or so, minim Kotoko management omo ba omo an cancel contract left right center omo twam sa enti minim say ya futuo bi na ba we futu bone ena bi akoma Inusah nom say wa report to camp no mo ya mo de bufuo mapam no mo twa contract ni mu ne de wakọ no akọji $6,000 $7,000 but sad yen emwa players na nkasa wo free club na wo sheda eye enioma wa sheda se wo pese ye pamo na akọji ska gu boto wan we anta nko anim enti Inusah Adams Elvis Kyei Baffour Emmanuel Antwi, they are still not part of the preseason. Morfing Donzo. Direct conversation also between Stanley and Morfing. Akaja branches omra. Donzo Morfing, I can 1 year. Or sign 2 years with Asante Kotoko. It is direct conversation. Akoso. Sa branch with the penny. Omra. Young Ram Ewo Adako Jachi. And the Asante Kotoko morning training also Adako Jachi instead of Paju. Makacho said they alternate. And to say Biako settle on where Omu free Kumasi Ako. Na Omako bomb where Jao baby so Muko training no. Training because of Hani Biakoso. E because of Hani Biakoso. And one of my students are sorry in jam. So Muko Paju Akosha Asante Kotoko training na buzapanyi. Wamu Kotoko. Why you have a conclusion your man training? Pachomu ye training. Ewo Adako Jachi.
Fantastic.
Kotoko training grounds so. Eho and Asante Kotoko training na buzapanyi. E baso. Now, and then the board, the executive chairman of Asante Kotoko, Joshop, James Osei Brown, Okoko Piemu, Ewo Adako Jachi.
Wow.
James Osei Brown, Asante Kotoko, one more executive chairman, Oko Adako Jachi,
Champion chairman.
one go head training. Okoye inspection of the work na ekoso ewo the containers no.
Okay.
Yaba be di containers yi nkoma. Ya be chirim first day a ye ko pie mo ho no. Ye kire containers no. Nua na wo so a o ma pani nyina gu.
Yes.
Roofing na no ma ye. Green roofing be as a plastic be.
Yeah.
O ma pani nyina to agu no. Yaba ebedi unkomo ewa ha.
Fantastic.
We're fortunate and lucky to have spoken to Mpanyinfo a eye adwuma no. Ema mu kire yi mu se omu flow containers esoro nyina. Omu wi omo de nade ne ACC containers ni mu ho.
Yes.
Na fe omo boso wi a omo to tiles and we be catch us omo to tiles.
Nice one.
Em Japan tiles ne to no asase ewo containers ni mu. So the last time we went there, yeah, the container project and roofing here omo ye ni nyina.
Wisdom Grace for no.
Yes, Wisdom Grace Construction Firm and a adwuma no.
Nice one.
One awie roofing no. Enti se say adwuma ekoso ewo no. Aye tiles na one to ewo soro no.
Wow.
Paint na ekoso na no ekoi no. Ye wurawura containers nim eko inside. Paint na hodo obzapanyi ekoso ewo inside no nyina no. Eno so aye adwuma eguso a ekoso dendenden. And the board chairman of Asante Kotoko, the executive chairman of Asante Kotoko, Mr. James Osei Brown, and Okupiemu Ekoye inspection of a Jumana Ekoso Ewono. Mente Amatiane said he went there in the company of David Obinyako.
Yes.
And ne personal assistant Evelyn Isiasare. Matese Sampin for me and I'm meaning accompany the executive chairman of the club, Emmanuel Antwi, Adako Jachi Japanyi, Oko Ekokoye sa inspection, and he had conversation with the contractor, any site supervisors, you know, foreman, for in komo, assurance, firm assurance, date for completion now. One more agree, you know, he expects a bedroom, no more yejumano, a hand over at the Asante Kotoko. Stanley will have to work from his office there. Eric Tinkler will have to work from his office there.
Yes.
Na afi mpanyinfo aka omo ewutim no bia benya office ho no atoa so ayo modwuma no e de afrio. Abusia panyin Samuel Champo.
Richard Pepe arrest the original fella man.
Cameroon players no mo buy the goalkeeper na me say oye tiatia. Owa.
That's a wafon say kan say.
Oba ne nsem a. Obi a wafon obi a no so na no so ate. Says ha na otia. If that has been your shape, and the Akazo in Patia,
Okay.
no bit Zame, Nanche, Nanasotia, and Yakaza Kwana form. Ubu Guazo could trace cows and Sobeti. People pay money near the matter diet, so no Ruby, said about Sobeti. Goalkeeper of Japan.
Yes, sir.
And penny for Akachan, sir, young fancy. Adios. Bye bye. Gracias, Omada Omasi, gracias. na the reason behind the reason. Into the goalkeeper echo Cameroon players no echo. There were other players I'm Japan, you know, more foreigners. Omunyina ekaboma yes 6 in Sia. So as we speak, the 6 players have been sacked. They've been told not to come again. They've been told to leave. Over to the Brofubia Pebia Diashaho. 6 and Penfor a Jamoquai. A man for say, now they ain't said more boss, I did cry, Usa Cabia, over pair low profile friendly game, be no more bobino, I check your moon. But yes, Stanley, your man, or Jean of the Benny. Or any form of dear. Was it Debbie, we more or more MY.
I go over there.
If you're not pa. If I say, quite the honest, and I do before the day that now grown a bed than you. And 2 p.m. our Kotoko training grounds and ne Momuka Dakojachi, yeah, go PM Dakojachi. Eagle say those foreign players were not part of the training today, and ne no more part of training course of Japan.
Nice one.
And I can confirm to you on this your noble platform, on this big platform. So UPM Wadakojachi and that training course no. Foreigners in Sia. I'm saying Rana Omukachom say bye no. Omuka sa baba ne chunti Kotoko foreign players in Japan on any UPM. Now they are matching
the original fella man.
I'm right to the first one, fitness level, no? Fitness level. Director of football, any head coach, you know, I said they'd be our form. And you're number 1.
Wow.
Number 2. I was ranting any baby strong kumbia.
Ooh.
That be out of case, and Mr. Utu plane, I go far for in a bar. At least the organizer Utum will be intimate.
Yes.
So you don't fly out to go and bring a foreigner, pay him in dollars. Now, or to said you'll be at here now, Debbie. Was a samba by was a pen or dems wrong. Goalkeeper Kamara by now or different or on a level different. Stephen Disimukwala no Mbella Mfegi. Nana Mpazam go for Thomas Pele by Muza Kwana San Terminated. Vow or a player could call Velino. He was unveiled. I know that be Emwa almost a Jan, yes, as a piranha, yes, a player, I medical, won't feel you, but Emwa. Sure. And now we are not Manchester United from Comofa, a Brazilian Edison, every Atlanta Begamo.
Yeah.
Oh, na Yuri Telemens available. A branch at the Andre Santos or Chelsea, ya form Mumino, it Edison, or Moyam Fanom, the question the first medicals or pass a second one no more who so omboa omon peno. So say we play the biamno discuss the player team penno on fairly medical da. Now so much to play how we play no ma no. We brother now. But omon pewa medicals because when him say man you for reject a branch din Edison. Okopie mu Atlanta no medicals or there pass. Obeko work up with Brazil or medicals or pass here. Into a simple matter. And Japan, you went with your money and no baby Americans grab them. And I am paying for a job. I'm Japan, one of the reasons, and so any after sir, the executive chairman of the club, Emmanuel crystal clear the ambition of the club next season. So I'm on your league, you know. Coach Eric Tinkler in a meeting with Director of Football, Stanley Menzo.
Yes.
I'm din come say as I'm call for names. Not foreigners on by trials. Tiasim ni pan komoni ni.
Wow.
Yasem nkwaje league o panyi sa otezi yasem nyi league. Na yasem nkwaje league dia. Enya matrama kwa apologies to the FA president. Na sempa no. Yan so bi nhwe yan try nhwe da bi nya no a. When aye abusua panyi yanim no akofa na ba. Kabiru yanim yakofa na ba. Enti the coach decided sir with the target set for him. Nyafe no obenya bre abehwe boys because truth be told Kotoko enye intensive ball worker. Obetimi dia judge player say obetimi abo na say ontimi mo.
Yeah.
But the ambition of the club is to win. If the ambition of the club is to win the league, some culture says Stanley Menzo was striker bi. I about the champion for. Tikofane Brene. Or a number 10 be to be bought also as a winger.
Yes.
On the ding at the Stanley. Stanley. And your cultural executive chairman. Namun kofa we mra me nya fe ne ya behwe bibia. I'm Japan.
Yes, sir.
Nyame adoma next week. A foreign goalkeeper ebeba Asante Kotoko.
Wow.
On my man trust or ba sign contract TD ba.
That's what the dean and
Eti odi enko ye chiuze under IMC no. Foreigners bebrebe be ye trials o man fa ba kokra o.
Yeah.
But IMC no efa Samba. Now based on recommendation, videos or much. Samba profile there, but Samba did not come for trials. In fact, Samba bedru Ghana no. Kabiru Zobakaya. Now Kotoko Elko President's Cup. To drew Ghana now or joining Omuna. Omu boss our President's Cup. Some match was Aji man of the match. Kotoko Ankofa Kamara Manama trials. Or beside contract no bebo. Abulo beside contract and a bebo. Ayi kura wa mesa ayi kura so be sign contract o ana Kabiru refi no Gama Koko ayi China odamfi ogabuachi
Ayi.
Wisdom Basi the Nigerian
From
wa me try so be sign contract
yeah.
Kowachi jai na mponzamu jai na penkabu di enko na mponzamu na mponza ekofa mbela mo abaro ma me trials Moise Pauti the goalkeeper wa me trials Mfege wa me trials.
Yes.
Eric Zeze, Mokai Zeze, the Ivorian, wa me trials or be sign contract. Mukwala be sign contract. Enti, so washa, ya wa foreign players that was a penny, or mobile straight be sign contract be bono. As the trials of one day, ya nam penny for no any enjada nyamusa.
Yeah.
And meno ka say 6 foreign players na, no more Kotoko. The last 2-3 days, they've been stopped from coming to the training further. Minim Sakotoko ni try take it more mobile you. Someone about my deal. And yeah, one besako machi. But me say other foreign players ebeba.
Okay.
Kotoko, omu wish list no. Omu 5 players a Kotoko. A down wish list so. A goalkeeper. In fact, not just a goalkeeper, top-notch goalkeeper. And the man Rambusa said, "Done like that free."
Yes.
There is Emmanuel Kobi, Agbesi, and a top foreign goalkeeper. Top foreign goalkeeper. Yes, but this is over next week. Or Bappe, Kotoko Emfa keeper BBM. One of the same branch straight away. Then Eric Tinkler, and the striker Bako, and the number 10 Bako, and the Yama. Director of football say on pursue side deals in a man.
Okay.
And also so pursue that Japan a quaya. Kotoko straight away. Ebe signing omo edi omaba. No more about a team no way. Aye kakrayate edi efrio. Abu Japan sabe jambo.
Richard Pepe arrange the fella.
Aye stories in BBP. Na Kotoko. E plan say one ebe call outside of Kumasi this weekend. Information crime say Kotoko enya anko. Kotoko enya anko this weekend. Definitely they will go out. The Amatene say they may choose a coastal area, coastal town, coastal city, where they can do a lot of beach work. On beach work in Bibli, and so but say they be told just a Kotoko this weekend. Tiana kranko foko pa jona Kotoko ama pa jono. Omo conclude say ne Kotoko 9 sequence yes omo concry yes omo ko keep omo ko takrade dia metie ne say Kotoko enya indecide here say wonum A2 e dey a free Kumasi akode will continue to train here na onum akoso a ayo mo train na enye asem ketwa abusia pen sabe jambo
Richard Pepe arrange the fella.
youth team players we Bismarck Ofori left back, Abu Adams right back, and a striker Abdul Isaka. You see, both Menzo and what's the name? Eric Tinkler impressed with boys output so far. We are extremely impressed with boys output with training so far. And some 20 Urama Abuja Kakra Yako Akwakoyi and the free crop ya Asante Kotoko at the Abenie. Young fan to just a heart to folk.
The Continental Club Masters.
Afedi Niboja no eba.
Wow.
Wasan afedi omajatum. Tini Boja Kapu. Eba.
Wabidwana.
Richard Olele Kingston. Edna says secret as was signing. Nanambe can has assistant coach in the quad in the picture etched dada. It has a Sonia Bra. What form the technical team no.
Nice one.
And so Abuja Penny Sabe Champon.
Richard Pepe.
Yem for Felix and Emphasia.